Hello friends, my name is Shailendra and I make videos related to workout, diet and yoga on YouTube. Today we will know about beginners yoga. So let's start. Set yourself in Asana. By place your knees and palms on the floor. Inhale, reach the back and lift the left leg, stretching it up and back, opening the chest and looking up. Bring the toes towards the back of the head. Exhale, arch the back, tucking the pelvis under and bringing the head down. Bring the left leg down and bring the knees forward towards the nose. Keep the left foot off the floor. Inhale and repeat again. Same other. Sit on your heels, place your hands on your thighs. Place the fingers on your shoulders of respective hands. Bring both the elbows forward. Rotate your elbows while turning your arms. Try to touch the elbows in front of the chest on the forward movement. Inhale on the upward stroke. Exhale on the downward stroke. Practice this rotation in clockwise and counterclockwise direction. This will give relief to your shoulders. Sit on the floor and pull your knees to your chest. Hug your knees with your hands. Keep your spine rounded. Breathe normally. Throw out gently. So back and forth. Simulate the movement of a rocking chair. Keep wiggling for a while. This asana massages the back, buttocks, and hips. It is most useful in the morning immediately after waking up. This muscles cross-set in this asana is stretched. It releases unwanted gas. Do not perform this asana those who are in serious back condition. Lie on your back facing the ceiling. Exhale, bring your knees to your chest. Grab your hands, rounded them. Perform circular rotation, moving your hips clockwise and counterclockwise. Breathe normally while spinning. Exhale and release the pose. So, these are some yoga poses for the beginners. Look at them well and do them. If you like the video, then like the video. If you don't like it, then dislike the video. How did you like the video? By commenting. Share the video with anyone and subscribe the channel now. We meet in the next video.